April 24, 2026. Kunming, Yunnan, China. On April 24, severe hail struck Songning County in Kunming, Yunnan province, causing significant damage. According to local authorities and eyewitnesses, the hail was the size of a chicken egg. In just 10 minutes, a layer of ice up to 15 centimeters thick formed on roads. Residential homes, greenhouses, and farmland were damaged, and cars and windows. The Weather Service issued an orange warning for hail, followed by a blue. Rainfall reached 30 mm in just a few hours, and the risk of flooding and mudslides remains. The severe weather also affected Kunming Changshuai International Airport. Leaks were reported in the terminal. Some flights were delayed or cancelled, and the delay rate reached approximately 70%. Eyewitnesses are calling the incident an anomalous phenomenon. Many residents say they haven't seen such powerful hail in decades.